I'm Bhagyalakshmi. I'm Renu. And we are here to present our project. And we are choosing topic called event management. And in that event, management is our topic. So let's start with the introduction. So these are the contents. And this is the abstract. Marriage event management is a multi-purpose services and is dynamic that focuses on planning, organization, and execution of wedding-related events. So it is basically like end-to-end planning. From the planning starts from venue selection to guest management, food menu, and entertainment, and so called some other events. So this purpose, like the primary objective, is to provide a seamless and memorable experience for the guest and for the couples to remember in their life throughout their life. So in this case, the guests who are attending this event should analyze the guest visions, their thoughts, and their cultures and rituals. So next, moving on to the introduction. So marriage is one of the significant role, plays a significant role in one's life. So this like professional marriage event management. To the introduction, marriage plays a significant role in one's life. So the professional marriage eventers should plan to ensure that the wedding event is successfully executed. So it involves many processes like planning, organization, and execution of wedding-related programs like engagement, reception, wedding rituals, and so on, etc. So the primary objective of this event should be like of the client's visions is to respect the client's visions. Next is their visions, how they want the marriage, how they want to plan, and so on. And finally, the event manager should work closely with the clients to analyze their views, prescriptions, and finally turning their dreams into reality. Next, moving on to the problem sheet. So how can we plan a successful marriage event? So planning involves venue selection, decoration, lights, entertainment, and so on. So this is to involve how, like this problem statement defines on how a marriage event can be successfully executed, so that the guests and the clients are eventually satisfied with our program. So next, moving on to the objectives, which is carried by Renu.
Objectives: to plan and organize all the aspects of the marriage event efficiently, organize all parts of the wedding smoothly, to ensure timely execution of all the activities, complete all the tasks on the schedule, to manage the budget effectively, manage the expenses wisely, to incorporate innovative ideas and creative themes, add unique and innovative ideas, to enhance the guest experience, make the event enjoyable for clients, to provide customized service, offer services based on client needs. Next slide will continue by Bhatti.
My part is methodology. First point is initial planning and requirement gathering, and second point is venue selection and booking. Third point is theme decor and experience design, and fourth point is invitation and guest management. Fifth point is food and beverages planning, and sixth point is entertainment and program flow. This is and the process is being with the venue booking, and after the venue booking we have to choose the hall and specific outdoor field, and after the choosing hall we have to choose the specific field and services needed. After that, this is the decision point. It is the order submitted successful or not. If it is no, it will go back to the venue booking and repeat the process again. If it is yes, after that payment method, it successfully booked.
Moving on to the hardware specification processes. Intel ISA, like it defines the which process we are using in a laptop, and RAM, and basic storage in a RAM is should be minimum 8 GB to 16 GB is recommended. And the last is storage. So SSD, so solid state device disk, which has 250 GB, and many more. Next, moving on to the software specifications.
Software specification. operating software, Windows 10 or 11 Pro, we will use the main operating system. Project management tool, Trello is used for task and project tasking. Budgeting and finance tools, Microsoft Excel, it is used for budgeting and finance planning. File sharing and backup, OneDrive or Google Drive, it is used to share and save the files. Graphic and invite designs, Canva and Adobe Photoshop, it is used to design the invitations and graphics.